Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing well. Thank you very much for being here today. Alright, so I want to get right into it. I received the Hobonichi Techo 2023 box quite a while ago, but I just haven't opened it up yet. So this is the box color. You probably already seen it on social media. It's a really nice, like a rusty brown red color, and yes, let's jump right into the unboxing. You probably just want to see. I will of course keep this sticker. I don't know if I can kind of keep it intact, but I want to keep this sticker here and then put it in my Hobonichi journal. Oops. So I've taken off the sticker. It's really cute. It just has Hobo for Hobonichi written on it, and yes, of course I'm going to keep it in my Hobonichi Techo that I'm using right now. So it's not a very big haul, but I still wanted to share with you. So that's what it looks like. The inside says, "It's okay if we were a lie or a joke. Try saying, 'I had something good today too,' and then close your eyes. Something as good as a tiny stone is rolling here and there more often than you think." Okay. Okay, so let me take out the invoice because I kind of see it peeking through there. So here it is. Oh, I see the freebie. I'm going to remove the box. Oh, it's a nice sized pouch actually. And let's see, comparing it to the A6 here. So I already have an idea of what to use or how I want to use it. I'm going to probably put my sock knitting in here, my sock knitting project. Oh, so this is the message. I didn't know, well, I knew there was a message inside, but I didn't know what it was going to say. "Today's the only day the me I am right now will ever exist. I want to keep a record of that so the me in the future won't forget them." Oh, that's really cute. You can see that's on there. And then on the bottom, it says 2023. It's a nice fabric, and so that's the size of it compared to the A6. You can probably definitely fit an A5, I'm assuming. This is the height of an A5, so I'm not sure if you have like a chunky A5, it might not fit in there, but I'm assuming like the A5 is double of the A6, so yeah, an A5 will fit in there. So that's the freebie. The other freebie is the pen, which is, I'm really happy with this color. This is like, so this is the color of the pen, and I'm, like I said, very excited that it's this beautiful like navy and this chocolate brown. So I apologize as the rest of the video will be a voiceover, but I ended up purchasing this beautiful cover on cover, and I think it is called Light in the Distance. And yes, I was very drawn to it, and I think I saw an example of it on top of the Hobonichi Weeks in the light purple, and that just totally sold me. And so I ended up purchasing the same combination. I don't know, this summer I went to the planetarium several times with my kids, and I don't know, this cover on cover just kind of really caught my attention, and I just thought it was so cute, and so that's why I purchased that one. And then this was a difficult decision because I've been enjoying the Hobonichi Cousin for many years now. This year, 2022, I went back to the A6, but I was not, or I am not happy with the full year size, and so next year I'm going to try again. I want to go back to the A6, or I want to try the A6 again, but in the Avec. So the Avec will have 2 notebooks in 1 year instead of 1 full notebook in 1 year. I am so appreciative that Hobonichi decided to include a sample of their new Tomoe River paper for next year. I think most people know, but the Tomoe River paper in this 2023 is it hasn't changed since last year, but starting from next year, I guess for 2024, it will be a different type of paper. So I appreciate that Hobonichi decided to include that. You can, do your pen tests and things like that. I personally don't think I will be switching my planner or anything. I'll most likely continue with Hobonichi regardless of the paper. I will, if I have the time, I will test it out, but I don't think it will make a huge, significant difference. Unless, actually, you know what, I think I'm going to test out watercolor, but I don't believe it's going to have a big difference that, that it will make me change my mind. But yeah, have you tested the paper that was included? Do you like it or dislike it, or didn't find any difference? Or yeah, I might, yeah, if I have time, I'll probably play with some watercolor. I like to use watercolor in my journal, so yeah. And so back to the haul, sorry, the Mega Weeks is what I have decided to try out. I'm very, very happy that it's in English for the first time this year. This is also my first year trying out the Hobonichi Weeks Mega. I'm going to try and fit my personal and my work together. Originally, I wanted to keep it separate for this year, and last year I kept it separate because I didn't want to have to think about work while I was looking at my personal planner. But I'm going to change things up a bit and give this a go. Because the Hobonichi Mega has a lot more notepaper in the back. And when I originally started, actually, I started off with the Hobonichi Weeks for my work planner. And then I went to like a B6 slim size and then a B6. But I want to go back to the weeks and see how that goes. I really like how it's, you can see it's stamped 2023 and it's very discreet, and I really enjoy this light purple color, and I'm loving the fact that all the pages are in English, the quotes and the information pages on the back as well. I appreciate all the numbered blank pages in the back too, so you can easily create an index. And the Hobonichi Weeks also includes that same life book, Hobonichi Techo pamphlet, and then this little thing is it's a pocket. It's a sticker pocket. You can adhere it to the front or back cover. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but I think I will for this next year. Right now I am journaling to my kids in the Hobonichi Weeks. I haven't really updated it in a long time, but I do, if I have any spillover photos, I will end up sticking that in the Hobonichi Weeks and journaling about that. Or if I have certain things that I want to write to them, I'll definitely reach for the weeks. But this week's for 2023, I kind of want to do personal and work planner in one, and I love how that looks with that beautiful cover on cover on top of the light purple. I think it turned out really, really nicely, and I'm very excited to start with 2023. I'm sure everybody else feels the same way, but that's it for my haul video. I don't know, I wasn't really drawn to any of the A6 covers, and I currently have the Superior Labor natural leather cover, and I've been enjoying that, so I've decided to yeah, not purchase any covers this time. But who knows, I might look at more haul videos and end up changing my mind. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.